vlog. I'm gonna be working on the coupe. Got the motor in, just got a throttle issue I'm working on. Hey, what's up, buddy? This is my guy Des and his E90. My boy Des came to check me and to install his coilovers. You did the fronts already?
Yeah, I redo them.
Huh?
I redo them.
Why? It's too high?
Yeah.
Oh. But yeah, so we're gonna get started. It's cold as hell, but we gotta do it. So we're gonna go get some food and where you getting food at?
I don't know.
Yeah, so we don't know where he's getting food because he said he's hungry. And we're gonna come back. I'm gonna help him with his coilovers, and I gotta adjust my throttle position sensor because when I give my car gas, it's not giving me any throttle response. So somebody was like, it has to be at full, it has to be at 100 when you press the throttle all the way down. So I gotta do that and go from there. Yes, I do work for the post office, so yeah. But this is an old hoodie, so I don't really mind. He's turning. Wow, you're in the left lane going right. Look at this guy, jackass. But anyway, so yeah, so we're on the way to go get some food and come back. So stay tuned. So as you can see, the motor's in. The car runs. I have to get the belt walk kit because you can see my belt is starting to walk. These on these H motors, the belt walks a lot. So, but I'm gonna change that. I'm gonna change the belt to a Gates belt. Yeah. So like I said, the car runs. I bled the system. Me and my boy came through. When my boy came through, he helped me with that. Look, you see this right here? Hold on, let me see if I can zoom in. You see that? The slave? That was an issue to get flush because the way they made this kit is so tight and weird. Is ridiculous. But yeah, so I got it in steel braided clutch line. But yeah, so I mean, car runs, sounds crazy. See, I got my new battery, Michi motor radiator, PLM headers, PLM H2b kit, skunk 2 manifold, 70mm throttle body. This is a custom bracket I made because, like me, I like to try different things and fabricate. So this is a custom bracket because as you can see, my throttle kit was very long. So yeah, did that. Put the IAC block off on it. Yeah, got my alternator belt, but this I have to take it off and move it over a little bit. But I might take off everything and then I mess with the bottom cover. If you can see, yeah, mess with the bottom cover because it's kind of close. Well, you can't really see, but it's kind of close. So I gotta take it off and rearrange it, and then I gotta make this signal wire a little longer so I can wrap it up here. But my main concern is this TPS sensor back here. I have to literally use the Allen, adjust it, and calibrate it so I can get throttle and see if my car responds to throttle. Why every time I vlog, somebody decides to call me? So yeah, so let's get to it. So my guy Des, just tell him what you're doing there, buddy.
Putting eBay coilers.
You putting on what?
eBay coilers.
On E90. Yo, do you see how close he is to my car? You're lucky I trust you. You fucking lucky. Why. Yo, what?
My driver.
Oh, okay. So while he's putting on his coilovers, I'm gonna do my TPS on my car and go from there. So it's very loud. Yeah. She's She's alive. As you can see, she's alive. That coolant, that's I just poured some in there. So yeah, so she's alive. She's running. As you can see in the video, sounds good on idle. But now I gotta work with the throttle. And see, don't mind the junk in there. It's all messy because I'm worried about the engine first, then I'm worried about interior after. So yeah. So my boy helped me, he fixed my problem. This is from my airflow ratio gauge when I put it in. But yeah, we adjusted my throttle cable, and that was a problem, but now I got throttle response. Breaking up because they don't have a tune. I just have a bass map ran to it right now. But yeah, so that's about it. I gotta check this code. Oh, hold on. Lightning bolt. There we go. I have an error code, ITC, intake air. I'm at 149, RPM's at 12. My map is at -20. Airflow, I gotta put that in. But I do have a tuner that's sending me over a base map. I think he's gonna send it to me today or maybe tomorrow, and go from there. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn off the car. Hold on. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just hook up my AEM wideband. I don't even know where I'm gonna run it to, like, cause I'm not gonna put a radio in, because I don't want a radio in there. So what I was thinking is I could take out this vent and run it through here, but I really wanted to like run it in the corner, but I gotta pull the dash and all sorts of shit. I don't know where I'm gonna run this yet, but we'll see. We'll figure it out. So I have to go back inside to warm up. Back outside. Figured out the issue now. TPS might be faulty, or my wire might be, I don't know. I gotta loosen up the wire and stuff. But it's open.
Hey, black guy.
Look at this guy. But yeah, it's open. I gotta go talk to somebody real quick. But yeah, so my barber pulled up. She wants me to do some work on her car. Look at this. Look at this one.
Pop up like a ghost, they like Richard.
Look at this one. Yo, when can I get a cut?
Yo, when you actually pull up.
Touche. If you don't know, this is Nico, my barber at the Fade game.
Feel me?
The only one that cuts my hair. Well,
And the only one that fixed my car.
and I'm the only one that fixed her car.
It's a mutual thing here.
Yeah, pretty much. So it seems to be the problem here.
Yo.
Pop the hood. All right, turn it again. Gotta change the power steering pump, because every time you turn, it wants to like lock up.
Yeah, that's big, yo. Like when he sprayed the shit in there, that shit was locked. Like I had to.
So yeah, we could change it. I could change that for you. So, my boy Des came back. He's working on his car. I have a daily. It's a 2005 Nissan Altima SCR. But when I got it, I don't really know much about Nissans as much. But when I got it, I didn't know these things burn oil crazy. So what happened was, it's as you see, it's sitting right now, because I blew the motor because of the oil galley gaskets and stuff. So lack of oil, so it seized up the oil pump. Yeah, so it's sitting. So right now I'm going to HR the motor. Yeah, I'm going to HR the motor. I'm going to HR the SCR and go from there and have fun. But right now I'm about to help my boy with his coilover installation. What is this, max speed? Yeah, max speed eBay coilovers. And then I guess we figure out my TPS issue, and go from there. Yeah, so let's get it. So it is nighttime. My boy finished his coilovers. He did the fronts earlier, but the backs is, whew, you have to adjust the fronts even more. You can't really see it because it's dark. But yeah, you get the drift. The backs are like, is like tucking. It's literally tucking. That's crazy. The backs are tucking. The front, it looked like a dump truck. So he said tomorrow he's gonna just load or slam the front and call it a day. And what's up? And yeah, so now I'm about to work on the Civic and go from there.